In Singapore textbooks, there's always a chapter on number bonds. In Think Mathematics, we use number bonds across grade levels, not just in a chapter on number bonds. For example, in simple addition, addition within 20, for example, in finding out the sum of 8 and 6, we use a number bonds. The fact that 6 is 4 and 2, so that students are able to see that they can add 8 and 6 by making 10. This is an example of using number bonds beyond the chapter on number bonds. The use of number bonds is not limited to small numbers. Even when students are learning algorithm in, say, multi-digit numbers, they continue to use number bonds. In this lesson, in subtracting 6 from 31, students are shown how they might break 31 into 20 and 11, and how that number bond translates itself into the standard algorithm, where they cancel the digits in the tens place and the ones place and write little subscripts above those digits. In this example, you can see that the use of a formal standard abstract algorithm is explicitly connected to the number bond that students are already familiar with. Even in other topics such as multiplication at a higher grade level, number bonds continue to feature prominently. In figuring out 3 multiplied by 18, students are shown the use of number bonds. 18 is 10 and 8, and how 3 multiplied by 18 can be dealt with by doing 3 multiplied by 10 and 3 multiplied by 8, finding the partial products before summing them up to obtain the product. Here you see that number bonds continue to feature prominently even in topics such as multiplication of multi-digit number, and even in division. So in long division, such as 42 divided by 3, or 32 divided by 2, or 48 divided by 3, before they get to encounter the formal long division algorithm, students are shown how that algorithm comes from number bonds. So here 42 is split into 30 and 12, because both 30 and 12 are quite convenient to be divided by 3. Or in the case of the guided practice, where they need to do 32 divided by 2, number bonds is used to break 32 into 20 and 12, both of which are conveniently divided by 2. Or in the case of 48 divided by 3, students are suggested to use number bonds to see that 48 is 30 and something, because both those numbers are conveniently divided by 3. This is an example where number bonds continue to be used in topics beyond addition and at a higher grade level. Number bonds is featured prominently across grade levels in Think Mathematics.